What's your question? What's your question?
To come up.
You want them to come out?
Yeah.
I think they're coming up. I think Pa's coming. What?
You think we Paul coming?
I think Pa's coming up. Maybe G.
Why?
I don't know. What would you think if G weren't here?
I cry.
You would cry? You'd cry so much that what would happen?
Because he came, then I won't cry.
You'll be happy? How come?
What's behind the frame?
What do you think about G and Pa?
Look.
Did you tell Pa about his... Did you tell Pa what you think since he has metal knees? Remember you told me you thought he was?
He's a robot.
He's what?
He's a robot. I think he's a VR. He might be a robot.